Mental health, I think, is obviously an overall part of our physical health that gets often ignored. Mental health is obviously the way we think about things, look at things, and how that really affects our emotional state and our behavioral state.
Mental health can be hereditary. It can be a chemical imbalance in the brain.
Mental health for many years has went unnoticed in the southern coal fields, and people oftentimes do not seek out treatment for mental health disorders. Without seeking out treatment, people end up turning to illicit drug use, alcohol use.
I'm an advocate for mental health. I always will be. I've taken counseling, I've taken therapy, I take medicine. So I feel like there's a huge stigma around mental health and it needs to be taken serious and people need to dive into it.
Sometimes the voices in one's head will get the best of them, but they need to be able to be in a setting where they can talk about it, talk freely, and learn that there's others just like them.
Talking about mental health is so important because it is something we all struggle with.
Mental health is a problem here, but I think it's a fixable problem. And I would just like to see the community grow, and those folks that need help, I would like to see them get the help they need.
There's different organizations that provide counseling services to treat your mental health disorders. I would make an appointment, go in and see somebody. You would do what's called an intake. They would do like an assessment to ask you a lot of questions and see what the main problem is, to get a good idea of who you are and what's going on. Some people like to exercise for their mental health. It helps with depression. Some people like to journal and write about their thoughts and their feelings, and that helps them express those feelings a little bit more and to understand them better. People like to go to church for their mental health. That's a big aspect, or spirituality. We all have mental health, no matter what level of school you've been to, no matter what economic status you've achieved, no matter where you're at in life. Mental health is something you need to address on some certain level.
Don't be ashamed. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Don't be afraid to seek help. And don't be afraid to get involved if you know somebody that needs help.